Carrots facial ice cubes. Ice cubes are not only useful in chilling your drinks but can also be used as a cooling agent for your skin. You will be surprised by the number of benefits that ice cubes have for your skin. Here are some amazing benefits of this literally cool yet underrated home remedy. First though, let me refresh your memory on the benefits of ice on the skin. Stimulates blood circulation, stimulates collagen, primes skin for makeup, reduces redness, reduces puffiness, swelling, shrinks and fades pimples, reduces pain, great before and after a lip brow wax, relieves sunburns, prevents the formation of wrinkles, constricts the pores, soothes irritation, encourages lymphatic drainage. Carrot nourishes, tightens, and rejuvenates skin. Vitamin A and K, present in carrot juice, is an antioxidant that attacks free radicals and thereby prevents signs of aging like pigmentation, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. It is helpful in repairing skin tissues. It also treats acne as it has antiseptic property. It is an efficient emollient, which helps lubricate the cells present in the surface layer of the skin by restoring their lost moisture. It not only hydrates the skin by balancing its natural oil content but also makes the dry and rough tissues softer. It reduces the appearance of brown spots and other types of sun damage. Help boost healthy collagen production, which causes firmer skin and reduces inflammation and irritation, both of which cause a cascade of damage. Procedure to make carrot and green tea face ice cubes. Ingredients: 2 cup fresh carrot juice. Directions: wash the carrots and extract the juice from them with help of juicer. If you don't have a juicer, then simply cut the carrot into small chunks and put it into the blender. Add some water to make a running paste and now extract the juice from the paste with the help of cheese, muslin cloth. Pour carrot juice into ice trays. It will hardly take 1 hour to convert it into ice. How to apply: wash your face and gently rub the cube over your face and neck. Apply a cube to dark circles and puffy eyes, which will reduce swelling and excess fluid around the eyes. The ice cube massage will also help you with fine lines and improve circulation. You can let the juice sit on your face for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Do this remedy daily to get the smooth and clear skin. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.